What is going on, everyone? Today, I wanted to share with you one hot stock in the biotech sector that I believe has the potential for huge return on investment potential. I'll share with you reasons why I actually increased my quantity of shares with this company, what this biotech company is doing, and what's really driving the current share price up in the most recent days. Right now, if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate you hitting the like and subscribing for more related content where the goal is to gain on positive proceeds and lead with an altruistic mindset. Now, the company I wanted to share with you is iBio, ticker IBIO. Now, I've made a number of videos on iBio for many years now, and I continue to have conviction with this company, although we've seen the share price just continue to bleed out over the years, right? However, just with recent news and change in the company's strategy, I believe there's potential here for return on investment when we look at it in the present moment, right? When we see risk happening before in hindsight, now we'll eventually see potential rewards coming, right? Because we won't necessarily see risk, always, for the remaining years. So I'll touch on what the company is working on. So let's get started. Now, first off, I wanted to share with you here the overall technicals with the current price. In terms of year to date, we see an 81% growth here, right? Where currently the iBio share price is at $1.20. We know that at one point previously, the company's stock, it did go through a reverse split, right? Where it at one point was at 11.50. It was up until September timeframe when the reverse split happened and it began to just bleed out. It got down to even low 55 cents, and now it's beginning to consolidate here, right? And what's really driving the share price up, right? Now, we know that iBio, like last Friday, the company announced after the market closure that there's a change where they've now introduced a new immune oncology program where now it's targeting the MUC16, and that is a cancer target that often shows up in solid tumors. So we know that iBio at one point was focused on trying to create biotherapeutics vaccines for like COVID and swine flu. However, all of those projects have been put away, and now the main focus is now to target immune oncology, especially given that cancer is one of the leading cause of death across the entire world now. And what is MUC16, right? It's a binding monoclonal antibody to certain parts of the tumor-related cell. And now with the CEO of iBio, Martin, his notation here is a targeting of a very specific pathophysiologically relevant region of MUC16 is a testament to the versatility of our AI technology as it successfully shows it can be applied to a broad range of targets. This success adds to the growing list of target classes to which we have made differentiated antibodies using our patented epitope steering technology. So what's unique about iBio is that the company actually has a patented artificial intelligence technology to really identify these targeting binding sites of monoclonal antibody. And one of the driving factors that really drove the company's share price up is this program here in oncology. So you see a number of programs here in early discovery, late discovery with the different target regions of the cancer cell. And what's ahead right now is the solid tumors, the RTX-003, focusing in lead optimization. And at one point, there will likely be pre-IND meetings with the Food and Drug Administration and other health authorities to get the investigational new drug submission applications be prepared and submitted at one point in the future. However, this is a great testament here to see all of the therapeutic candidates here specifically focusing in on oncology, because we know that this is one of the leading cause of death here. And with iBio, their focus with plant-based therapeutics, now focusing on oncology, I definitely do think there's a future here. And in terms of just with share price, right? We know, just looking at it from a 1 month standpoint, we see a lot of ups and downs here, right? However, the trend line is moving up. We're beginning to see more volumes traded. In fact, the average volume is 5 million shares traded. The year range is going from 36 cents to $16, right? So it's definitely at the low point here when we look at the 52-week range high. So let's say if you are a swing trader, a midterm trader, right? Here's potential for a big return on investment if you're looking at capitalizing on the V-shape that will likely come for iBio here. So this is really why I actually purchased more shares of iBio to bring my dollar cost average down, because I believe that what goes down will eventually go up, and just taking advantage to be greedy when others are fearful and be fearful when others are greedy. And most people right now are fearful because of just what has happened with iBio, right? But you want to take advantage and be greedy when the pendulum is on the side of people not investing. So that's my takeaway with where we are, and I hope that this video added value, gave you insight on why iBio stock has been just shooting up in the most recent days, and will it continue to go up? I'm forecasting that in the year 2023, at least in the first half of the year, we may see it break out to $3 to $5 range, right? And if it can continue to consolidate at that range, building a support level, the next resistance up may be in the $8 to $10 range. So there you have it. That's my forecast, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to give some love, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe at Invest with alliseeisW. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.